And imagine that someone is thinking about doing a group therapy but is not sure about it, has doubts. How can you know how can that person know if the group therapy is for him or for her?
If you feel a tingle, if you're feeling alone, if you're feeling that nobody understands you, that there's no way out, that what happened to you is unique and you're tainted forever, please come. Please come, because you'll see that there's many others like you, that we're here to laugh, heal, cry together. And if you feel it, try it out. You can always come once, twice, and then let me know that you don't feel it, and it's fine.
Okay. And what should people keep in mind if they want to do group therapy?
Keep in mind in what sense?
To have take into consideration or know that they have to be aware of that, or they have to know that when they want to do the group therapy.
I would say that it's important to have an open mind,
Mm-hmm.
to be in a place in which you're enough self-aware that if you see that what we're talking about is triggering, that you're able to stand up and leave the room if it's necessary.
Okay.
If you feel that you can take care of yourself in that sense, then there are no other things that I think that you should be thinking about.
Okay. As well, you said that the group therapy can be combined with the individual therapy.
Yeah.
But what are the how is the group therapy compared to the individual therapy? What can we see there that we cannot get into the individual therapy?
They're completely different.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to explain a little bit. Individual therapy is focused on reprocessing my past experiences.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's going to be very focused on what happened, doing either exposure therapy, EMDR, doing something that is very focused on the event per se. This group therapy is focused on the future, on recovery. It's focused on what are the usual things that you're going to feel, you're going to see. How am I going to relate again with people? Mm-hmm. So we don't talk about past or what happened. We focus on recovery.